Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Welcome to our this series of video in which we are showing you how you can use VBA and Excel functionalities to solve the algebraic equations and math problems, right? So it's a very interesting topic, and we have based our presentation on essay logic presentation, which is available. The essay logic is a channel which presents a number of, I think, hundreds of problems have been shown that how the student should solve them. So we are showing you the similar problems can also be solved using Excel expertise. If you have expertise of VBA, then you can automate and build up your own quiz system. And we have been showing you in our previous videos. In this video, we have streamlined the mechanism. Previously, it was something like that. Each time you have to uh, go to a certain object like generate and then click on it and assign some macro to it, and then it will solve your problem. And then in the end, you had a long, lengthy series of macros like text box click 2, text box 3, click 4, click 5, click, and so on. So doesn't look nice to have so many macros when these all can be done by a single set of sequence. Right? So this is we are in a position now to present you a code, a VBA code, which will uh, free you from your dependency. You do not need any more dependency on clicking of a button. All you and have a separate macro for this, right? A separate VBA code. So a single VBA code would tackle the all set of programs, right? So we have tested this thing for the two of the it's working fine. Hmm? Let me show you so that just to show you that a single set of code, what is that? When you go to the sheet name, at the moment its name is essay logic. There can be different name also. Okay, so since we are thankful to essay logic channel, so we have chosen it to acknowledge our thanks to them. So uh, each sheet has a view code option, and this is the view code. And this says that as soon as you double click, you say before double click. So whenever a double click is done, and so it sees, it gets all this information, solve your problem, and come up with a value of x. That's it, as simple as that. Okay. For example, this is the equation, and we have set up it. Uh, Stage 1 stage 2. Stage 1 is the left side of the equation, and stage 2 is the right side of the equation. And here is the check digit. As soon as these two becomes equal, so this gets 1. As soon as this gets 1, it means you have the value of x, right? So value of x will be incremented by double click on it. Okay, when you double click on it, it will start working and will get you it is telling you the value of x is 3. Your answer is 3. Find the value of x. The answer is 3. Because if you have the 3 in here, right, minus 3, not 3, minus 3. Minus 3 plus 6 is 3 raised to power 4 minus, then minus 3 plus 4. So that is 1 raised to power 4. And so this is equal to 8, right? So this is the mechanism, which is done, and it has worked fine on this set of shares. So the same procedure, you don't need a separate button here. We have removed the button in here, right? And you don't need. So all you need to do is just double click where you have this message, that double click here to start. And so, for example, you don't know the answer, you want to work out an answer for, so you have a stage one, you have a stage two. Stage two is simple, it is 84. Okay, so when these two becomes 84, this gets 1 and you get the x value. So let's double click on it. So it is now increasing it bit by bit. So it will reach 84. And as soon as the stage one gets to 84 and stage two gets 84, the check digit will become 1, and this is the value. This is the answer, 1.2618. So same procedure is doing multiple problem solving just by double click. Okay. So at the moment, I have just these two. I have verified it, but they have it. It will require more work. We will do it on other questions as well. So once all these are done, then we can click update to update the questions into our database, right? For example, if we click here and update, so all the not posted ones will get posted, right? So we click in here and you will see it, the dialog box will come. You choose the database. Our database is, the latest one is 418. Yes, teacher said, and we click proceed. So it goes and updates your quiz, and there you, all the those which were unposted, they are now posted, right? And this has updated your quiz, and then you can go to the quiz and straight away start presenting the quiz to the. You see, all these questions have been updated, and it has used its own discretion to where to allocate the right answer. The right answer has to be one of in the choice, right? So sometimes it is coming on choice 3, right? And sometimes it is coming on choice 3, and sometimes it is coming, right? It's on different. It may be here. It is choice 2, right? 0.62 choice 2, right? So it is randomly deciding which choice to have the right answer, right? So this is how the quiz is automatically built. And all you need to do is just double click on the, and it will solve your problem, and then click on the update. It will update the database. Okay, so these files are available in the comment in the description. You will find the link to these files. You can use them for practice purposes. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you very much.